My editor name is Julfikar Russell, which is lyricist of your two songs
Yes.
about Bangabandhu. So first of all, I want to know your feelings about those memories to make the two songs about our father of the nation.
I loved making that. I enjoyed the whole thing. And, there's so many well wishers in Bangladesh. When I go to London, or they keep saying, you have so much of followers in Bangladesh, you should come there and all this stuff. I met Sheikh Hasina ji. She gave me this beautiful scent bottle, the very big one. I still use it. And it was a great experience.
And, do you listen Bengali songs regularly or occasionally?
I love the language because it has such a musical, Rabindra Sangeet and Lalan Fakir, and sometimes I listen to that stuff. Yes, yeah.
Is your inspiration to listen Bengali songs like Lalan Fakir or Rabindra Sangeet?
I was researching on Lalan Fakir around 10 years back just to find the commonality between all spirituality of India and all this stuff. So, I also saw the movie. There's a movie made on him, right?
Yes.
Yeah, I saw that one.
Did you make any songs in Bengali in your whole career?
In my career, I took.
Except Bangabandhu.
Yeah, I did Chitto Zero Boy Should Know that Rabindranath. I did it for Coke Studio. Might have seen it. I've sung it in Bengali too. Yeah.
Do you plan to make songs in Bengali in future?
In Bengali, you will never know. God willing, yes. Why not?
I want to know the Cannes Film Festival. In previous year, I got a selfie with you. It's my privilege. So you are coming every year. So what is your feeling about Cannes Film Festival? Is important for musicians like filmmakers or actors?
It's an inspiring place, and it's a good place to see. Look at everybody's enjoying. It's a happy place, and I always love film festivals. I've been to Birmingham Film Festival at Cannes, and then I've been to Goa, and then all of these have a kind of, even in Iran I went, Hamadan Festival. There's a kind of goodwill, and then you see there's no ego there. You meet another artist. We never get to. We're all trapped in boxes when you do a movie. It's nice to see and exchange ideas about talent. And
Tell us something about your new project Nagaland, which we saw there.
yeah, the new project is called From Headbanding to Beatboxing. It's a documentary about the transformative renaissance in Nagaland, which is happening. And Nagaland had this thing about, you go there, people are going to cut your head off. For 30 years, 40 years, people used to tell that and scare you. You can't go to Nagaland, they'll kill you. And then you go for the Hornbill Festival and you see it's completely transformed to this beautiful society where they're just playing music and kids are enjoying their own thing, they're evolving. There's a lot of peace and beauty.
You are an Oscar winner and Grammy winner. Do you feel pressure to make new song every day or every song?
Pressure is there, but also music is not about pressure. Music is about depressuring you. It's about feel. It's about soul, and main things. I believe in God, and I feel like every tune is a blessing, and that blessing should be transferred to millions.
You working in Bollywood, Hollywood, which is better?
Everybody, they're all making movies for people, and it's all serving a purpose. So I don't see which is better. We're all human beings. If you're doing for our own people, I'm proud of it. Doing songs for my people, and the same way when I do for Hollywood, I'm proud of that too. That they've called me with love and to make music.
Last question, Ramanji. Do you get any offer for acting
No.
in your life?
No, I don't want to act.
If you get offer,
I did get. Yeah.
but you
From
have
two,
no
3
interest.
No, there's no time.
Okay.
And I think music is something which if you get distracted, it'll go away from you. You need to focus on it. And
And say something about your Bangladeshi fan followers.
Shonar Bangla. I want to Balabashe.
Thank
I love you.
Thank you.